stand up from the waist up. Roll your shoulders back and think about your spine alignment. Place your hands on your waist right above your hips and take a few breaths. Feel the expansion against your hands. Make sure not to lift your shoulders. Okay, now it's time for snake breath. Breathe in for 4 counts and breathe out for 4 counts on a hiss. 2, here we go. Breathe in and breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Now put your hands against your neck and make sure you don't build pressure in your neck. The push should come from your diaphragm and it should push right against the S. Let's do that again. In for 4, out for 4. Here we go. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, and breathe out. 2. One more time. Breathe in. And now out for 8. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. Now we're going to breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 16. Keep the steady stream of air going throughout all 16 counts. Here we go. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Awesome. Now we're going to breathe in for 4, and you're going to hiss as long as you can. Keep your hand up while you're hissing and put it down when you run out of breath. The person with the longest breath wins. Ready? Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, and go. No cheating. All right. Now put the tip of your tongue on the back of the bottom row of your teeth. Close your lips and hum this pitch. Match it exactly. All right, now you're going to take a breath and you're going to hum the exact same pitch while I play some chords. Here we go. Keep the breath going. Here's a new pitch. Hum it, please. And I'm going to play some chords. Breathe. Keep the hum going. All right, here's a new note. Listen first. And now hum it. And now I'm going to play some chords. Stay on the same note. Good job. Put your hands on your nose and repeat after me. Z. Make sure you feel the resonance in your hands. You want to keep that buzz in your nose. Let's do it one more time. Repeat after me. Z. Now we're going to do the same sequence with some pitches. I'm going to go first, and I'm going to take a breath in the middle of the phrase. Here we go. To my turn. Z. Your turn. Keep the buzz. Connect the breath. Make it musical. New note. Keep the throat relaxed. Breathe in the diaphragm. New note. Make sure to take a breath here. And pull the air through the sound. All right, now we're going to play a game of soft palate raising Weirdo. You're going to breathe in and act like you're surprised. Feel the cold air on the back of your throat. That's your soft palate raising. Raise your eyebrows and then say, ah, like a soft palate raising Weirdo. Let's do that. Breathe in, feel the cold air, and say, ah. Ah. Do it again. This time, look at your friends and find out who's the biggest weirdo. Breathe in, feel the cold air, raise your eyebrows, and ah. Ah. Good job. You are now a soft palate raising weirdo. Now we're going to do some stuff with your microphones on. We're going to start with a siren. So you're going to say, take me to the zoo, and bring your sound all the way down from your falsetto or your head voice to your chest voice. You're going to raise your hand when you feel the flip from your falsetto or head voice to your chest voice, and you're going to do this with your microphones on. So everyone, turn your microphones on right now. You're going to say, take me to the zoo. Go.
Take me to the zoo.
Let's do that again. Remember, the person with the most notes wins. Here we go.
Take me to the zoo.
Connect your sound. Remember to raise your hand when you flip. Remember what it feels like to flip. Good job. Now we're going to break down all the walls. We are going to sing together on this call. Listen to this pitch and hum it with your microphone off. Keep that hum going, and now change it to an ooh and unmute your microphones. Hold it out. Make it a nice long note. Keep it going. Listen to each other. Now mute. Now we're going to do that again, but this time I'm going to play the note. You're going to memorize the note. You're going to sing it in your head. I'm going to ask you to unmute, and then you'll have to sing that note from memory on ooh. You can use each other for help. Here's the note. Sing it back in your head. Do it again. All right? You got it? You got it. Now turn your microphones on and sing it on ooh. Keep going. Hold it out. Let's do it for 4 more counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to make an interesting sound. So on a hum, you are going to choose whether you're going to glissando up to our pitch or glissando down to our pitch. Glissando up would sound like this. A glissando down would sound like this. So with your fingers, show everyone which way you're going to go. Are you going to glissando up, point up? Are you going to glissando down, point down? Look around, make sure that it's kind of even. We're going to do this with your microphone on. So I'm going to play the pitch first. Get it in your head. Memorize what it sounds like. Turn your microphones on. And here we go. Now we're going to play some 2-note chords. Here's the lower voice, and here's the upper voice. Figure out which one you want to sing. If you want to sing the lower voice, hold up the number 1. If you want to sing the upper voice, hold up the number 2. Look at what everyone chose and try to balance it out. Here's the lower voice again. Here's the upper voice. Sing it in your head. We're going to sing this on an ooh. I'm going to keep it playing. You're going to hold it out, turn your mics on, and sing. Try to balance it out. Awesome. Now we're going to sing some 3-note chords. Bottom voice, middle voice, and top voice. So we are playing a major triad right now. We have root, 3rd, and 5th. Figure out which one you are going to sing. Bottom voice is number 1, middle voice is number 2, and top voice is number 3. Make sure there's a nice balance. All right, I'm going to play it again. Bottom, middle, and top. Your microphone should be off. You're going to sing this on an ah this time. Here we go. Microphone's on. Awesome job. Now we are going to make a sound mass. We're going to do a Lydian sound mass. What's that? I'll play it for you. So we have 7 notes. Here are our 7 notes. Just 7 notes there. Figure out which one you want to do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a beautiful sound. Show with your fingers which one of those notes you want to sing. With your microphone off, I want you to sing along with me. We're just going to say the number. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, did you pick yours? They all have different flavors. Show everyone which number you want to sing. We are going to sing this. We're going to start on an ooh. I need 2 volunteers. 1 volunteer is going to be in charge of dynamics. 1 volunteer is going to be in charge of vowels. If you're in charge of dynamics, you are going to use your arms and you're going to make a little circle. And you're going to make the circle bigger when you want the sound to get louder. Everyone needs to watch that person. If you're in charge of vowels, you need to get your face close to the camera and you are going to show everyone which vowel you want them to sing. So you have to look for dynamics and you have to look for vowels. Here are our notes again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn your microphones on. Look at your volunteers, and here we go. Hold your part. Awesome.